We wrapped a big newspaper around for a whole lot of little rolls of paper. It's supposed to be legs, but they're too short.
Make them a little bit more.
We took a hard time, and we need to get heaps of sellotape. Get sellotape and connect the newspaper.
How many iPads do you think your one will hold?
Now, two.
Okay. What do you think you could do to make your bridge stronger if you were going to fix it? What would you?
We should put more sellotape in there instead of putting sellotape at the end.
First we made some straws out of newspaper, and then we started to make some triangles and stick that under the straws.
What's special about a triangle?
It's strong.
It looked strong, but was it?
Nope.
And then we wrapped some sticks and helped us. And he wrapped it over and
King of Africa.
Do you think it's strong?
yeah.
How many, Kiana? How many do you think it will hold?
None.
Some.
Let's see.
When